I felt exactly the same. I taught for over 4 years. I won a National Teaching Award and still didn't know all of these things that I think are absolutely critical for students to know. And I absolutely love revealing it to them. One of my magic teacher moments was at a school I was teaching at in Sydney. And I was teaching it, I remember it vividly, I was teaching a year 11 class, and we actually did a practice paper, and I sat with them the next lesson, I marked it, we went through it, and we actually dissected it with the mark scheme, and they literally highlighted certain words in their answers, and this got a mark and this didn't, and I literally had a student who just sat there and she just went, miss, and I was like, oh goodness, what's she gonna say? And she's like, this is gold. And she's like, how have we never done this before? And I was like, oh great, yeah, it's really good, isn't it? So that was a magic teacher moment.